Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fiserv, Clover, POS review my small business payment system experience. Fiserv, Clover, POS is a point-of-sale system designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of hardware options, from basic terminals to full-fledged POS stations, and provides software solutions for managing sales, inventory, employees, and customer loyalty programs. Key features include accepting various payment methods, generating reports, and integrating with other business tools. Their website provides details on the various hardware and software packages available. Clover emphasizes its all-in-one approach, offering a streamlined solution for businesses looking to manage their operations from a single platform. They highlight ease of use, customizable features, and various pricing plans. Clover seems to position itself as a more modern and flexible alternative to traditional POS systems. You can check availability and specific pricing options on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fiserv, Clover, POS. Setting up the Clover station was surprisingly straightforward. The hardware arrived pre-configured with my account information, and the initial setup wizard guided me through the remaining steps, like connecting to my network and setting up peripherals like a receipt printer and barcode scanner. The interface itself is very intuitive. Navigating the different menus and functions, like processing sales, adding discounts, and managing inventory, felt very natural. For example, processing a refund was as simple as finding the original transaction and selecting the refund option. The system was consistently fast and reliable during my testing. Transactions were processed quickly, and I never experienced any crashes or significant slowdowns. I was really impressed by how smoothly the inventory management synced with sales data. It automatically updated stock levels after each transaction, which saved me a lot of manual work. The standout feature for me was definitely the reporting functionality. The customizable reports offered valuable insights into my sales data, allowing me to track trends and make informed business decisions. I did have a quick question about integrating with my existing accounting software, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing my business on the go. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Fiserv, Clover, POS system. That's my overview of Fiserv, Clover, POS review my small business payment system experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.